Mapping is crucial for robot vacuums. We test a $300 model in a complex apartment layout. Corners, furniture, rugs, and narrow hallways. First run, default settings. Vacuum misses some corners. Walls detected late, backtracking inefficient. Battery lasts full run, but cleaning incomplete. Second run, advanced mapping enabled. Vacuum avoids obstacles. Edges cleaned, patterns optimized. Performance improves significantly. Conclusion: even $300 vacuums benefit from smart mapping. Enable it for real apartment results. Default run leaves gaps. If you want to check current prices and detailed reviews, I've linked all of them in the description below. Buy smart and save your money.